All right, it's time for writing. Everybody get their notebook. Where's your notebook? It's time for writing. What are Bear and Zebra up to today, you ask? Let's find out. So you want to find your notebook and you want to crack it open. Yeah. Find a brand new page. I know somewhere in there is that story that we started. Here's my story. So you guys should have that story, hopefully. Somewhere, Bear and Zebra. We're going to come back to Bear and Zebra. Man, I'm going to lose this page. I'm going to put a marker there. Okay. So you want to find a brand new page. Got it? Everybody have a brand new page out there? Okay. Here's what I want you to do. So this will be my, let's see. Where am I going to write this? I'm going to write it on here. I got a marker right here. Marker. Marker. Okay. So in the middle of the page, we're going to write the word fanboy going straight down. And I'll explain what that is in a second. So in the middle of the page, that's F. I can show you what I'm doing here. Fanboy. So zoom out so you can see what I did there. That's fanboy. Now, before each letter, Fanboy in the middle, I'm going to put a comma right before each letter. Comma, 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 comma. What is Mr. Krapf up to now? Okay. So these are, we're going to work with conjunctions again. So yesterday we talked about the conjunction but. So that's for the B. So for the B, we're going to fill in the rest of the letters. But, right? So do that. And then before the word but, I'm going to draw a line like this. And after the word but, I'm going to draw a line like that in a period. So remember, they would have went to the beach yesterday, but it rained all day. Okay? So these are other examples we could use to make compound sentences. So the F stands for for. A stands for and. N stands for nor. Alright, we got but. O is or. And Y is yet. Alright. So for each one, you want to draw a line like in front of it. Yeah. Because that'll be our first simple sentence. And then after it, you want to draw like a line and a period. We're not actually going to write anything in these lines. We're just, it's like a little demonstration. Okay. So maybe something like this. Okay. So these are all different ways you could combine two simple sentences. I wrote down some sentences. I'm going to give you guys some examples. All right. So here's my first. I'm going to zoom in so you guys see this. Here's my first two simple sentences. Bear did not like the water, period. He could not swim, period. So the way this will work is, I'll take that first sentence. Bear did not like the water, comma, for he could not swim. So basically, after I read the first sentence, I'm going to read the conjunction, and I'll read the second one. So once again, it was going to be, Bear did not like the water, comma, for he could not swim. Let's try one with and. So I wrote down two more choices here. What do I got here? Bear brought honey, period. Zebra brought carrots, period. So the way I would combine these two sentences using the word and, I would say, Bear brought honey and Zebra brought carrots. Isn't that nice? All right, so next one is nor. We're actually going to skip over nor. Nor actually doesn't work for compound sentences. For example, I could say something like, Bear was not rich, nor was he poor. So was he poor is not a sentence. So that's why this back piece doesn't really work. Or I could say, Zebra was not athletic, nor was he clumsy. So was he clumsy, again, it's not a sentence. So nor can be used to hook together the two pieces, but I can't get a sentence back here using nor. Let's try but. Oh, we did but yesterday, right? So let's see. My example, Zebra had sunglasses, period. He did not need them. So I would say zebra had sunglasses, but he did not need them, right? He did not need them. That's like a sentence on its own. All right, we got or coming up next. What's my line for or? Where's my or one? Let's see. Zebra wanted to swim, period. He wanted to build a sandcastle. So I would use or. I would say zebra wanted to swim, or he wanted to build a sandcastle. Last one's yet. Bear went to the beach, yet he didn't want to do anything. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna practice writing out 3 compound sentences right now. All right, so make sure you have your fanboy ready to go. Fanboy, okay. All right, so over here, let's practice writing these out. So Bear did not like the water. So once again, I am gonna write the first sentence down. So you guys should be writing this down with me in your notebook. Bear. Oh, hopefully I get it. I'm going to try to do a better job here for you. Bear did not like. Bear did not like the water. Come on, Bear. Why are you going to the beach then if you don't like the water, right? So I'm not going to do a period, right? Remember, we're going to drop that period. We're going to go with a comma. Bear did not like the water. You guys caught up with me? And I'm going to go with the word for. For. That sounds weird, right? We don't really see that one a lot. For. He could not swim. He could not swim. So I'm not going to do a capital H. I'm going to do a lowercase h. Little h, right? He could not swim, period. Bear did not like the water, comma, for he could not swim. So you guys notice the first part could be a sentence on its own, right? Bear did not like the water. That could be a sentence. And he could not swim could also be a sentence. So this comma and the word for, it's linked them both together. All right, let's try 2 more. Okay, coming up next. Bear brought honey, period. Zebra brought carrots, period. So going to my fanboy, we're going to go with and on this one. And. So we're going to write down bear, see late. Bear brought honey. Bear brought honey. Okay, here we go. Bear. Sorry, you guys can't really see this. Okay. Bear brought honey. So we're going to copy that down again. Bear brought honey. Man, what time is it? It's time to go to bed yet? Bear brought. All right. Beer brought. I did it again. Bear brought honey, comma, and okay. What was the rest of it, you guys? Bear brought honey, period. Zebra brought carrots. All right, so we're going to write down zebra brought carrots. That's coming up next, right? We're still going to do a capital Z because that's his name. Zebra brought carrots. So the whole thing of a compound sentence is the beginning part is a sentence by itself, and the back part's a sentence by itself. But we're connecting them together with a comma and a connecting word. It's called a conjunction, and. So bear brought honey, comma, and zebra brought carrots. Okay, so we're going to do one more. Let's see. So we did one for 4. We did and, forget, nor. We did but yesterday. Let's we can go or. Sure, why not? Usually a or is like for a choice. Do you like ice cream or do you like cake? Would you rather go bowling or would you rather go see a movie? So or is usually, used for a choice. So my choice is down here. Zebra wanted to swim, period. He wanted to build a sandcastle. Okay, so I'm going to copy down the first line. Here we go. Zebra wanted to swim. You know what? I'm trying to write, going through a phone right here. It's not that easy. Zebra wanted to swim, comma, we're going to take out the period, comma, or he wanted to, what did I say, you guys? Build a sandcastle. Okay. Build a sand castle. So I have my 3 compound sentences. So now I'm just basically just gonna pick one to add on to our story. Did you guys still have your story from the last day, yesterday? Let's see. One summer morning, Bear and Zebra were on their way to the beach. They would have gone yesterday, but it rained all day. All right, so now I got to figure out what sentence will like best fit my story. Bear did not like the water, but he could not swim. That doesn't really make sense. Bear did not like the water, for he could not swim. Oh yeah, that does make sense. Okay. Bear brought honey, comma, and Zebra brought carrots. Zebra wanted to swim or he wanted to build a sand castle. Alright, let's see. But it would rain all day. I like the food one. Bear brought honey and Zebra brought carrots. It's up to you guys. You guys can actually pick anyone you want. How about that? I'm going to probably go with this middle one. Bear brought honey and Zebra brought carrots. Alright, so I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to switch over to a pen. Bear. Zoom out, zoom out. Oh, that doesn't help, does it? I'm sorry, I'm left-handed, you guys. Oh, never. That shadow is killer. It's killing me. Bear brought honey, Honey. Bear brought honey, comma. Get a comma in there. And Zebra, Zebra, Zebra brought carrots. 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 There it is. Let's hear it again one more time. Bear brought honey, comma, and Zebra brought carrots. Okay, so here's your assignment, you guys. You have to type up 3 compound sentences. Now, if you want, you could basically just take these 3. So if you would rather just retype these 3, you're good to go, okay, if you want to do that. Or you can make up your own 3 compound sentences for the assignment, okay? Use Fanboy, but yeah, so once again, you have to type up 3 compound sentences. You could type up these 3, or just make up your own 3, or a combination, okay? So make sure you guys do that. All right, I'll see you later.